Welcome to my YouTube channel on freelance and business. My name is Kenyan Mutai. In this video, I'll show you how to get tax compliance certificate from the iTax portal. Let's get started. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubstudio.com. I'll start by showing you how a tax compliance certificate looks like. This is exactly how the tax compliance certificate looks like. So before you get started, you need to have a registered business with a PIN number. So once you have the PIN number, log into the iTax portal, then go to certificates, select apply for tax compliance certificate. As you can see here, I cannot apply again because I already have a tax compliance certificate applied. But when you apply, you are eligible to this certificate when you've been filing your returns on time. And this is how the tax compliance certificate looks like. And that is it. And that is how to get a tax compliance certificate from the iTax portal. It's that simple. If you have any questions regarding to this video, let me know in the comments below. Alternatively, you can send me an email to connect@chiptiani.com. Until next time, thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubstudio.com.